Saturday, I'm gonna go hit the thrift stores and show you guys what I got. All right, this first store I spent about $20. I found 3 Signing Time DVDs. These are volumes 1, 2, and 3. These ones always sell really well for me. I should get $25 to $30 pretty quickly for these. $1.49, I got a Ravensburger Puzzle, 500 piece. This one is sealed. Nothing fancy on it, but I should be able to get $30 to $35 shipped for that one. The 2 best finds were these 2 Airport Expresses that I found. I paid $6.49 for each of them, and it should go for about $40 to $50 each, maybe even a little more. Prices were all over. If you had new, you're getting like $120 for it, but the used ones are around $40 to $50, I think is pretty safe for me. But they're gonna go super quick. Apple Airport Expresses go all the time, and they sell really well for me. All right, spent $7, nothing major here. I found a toner for myself for $1. I could get like 13 to 15 for that, but I'm keeping that for myself. That goes for my computer. I got this Metabolic Renewal DVD. If you kind of look for anything by Jay Teta, this guy, he has another one that's out there that does pretty decent for me, but I should be able to get 20 bucks for that. The last thing I got was this Lebron James jersey. It's a medium. I'm not sure if this is a children's medium. It's a little small, so maybe it's a youth medium, but $4 on it. I should be able to get like 35 to 40 for that one pretty easy. All right, this last store is really good. I found a lot of items. I spent $57 altogether after my discount. I got an Xbox 360 controller. This will go into a bundle. I found a GameCube controller. I just need to put new stick covers on it, but those, I have those at home. Those are easy to do. This should go for about $35. I found a Wavebird and its adapter. I spent, after discount, about $12 on this altogether. They had them out separately, so I'm gonna have to replace the cover on this as well, add one on there, but I should get like $50 easily for that. I found this Bose SoundLink. It was $30, but I got 20% off, so $24 for this. This one goes for about $80. And of course, I got DVDs and games. I found Dead Like Me Season 2 sealed. This will go for $20. Leisure Suit Larry for the Xbox. This will go for about $15 to $20. Scarface for the PS2. This goes for about $45 to $50. Last was this Madden 09 for the Xbox. This one goes for about $35. If you watched my sports game video, you know this is a Bolo out there. Always pick this one up for the original Xbox. This one is the highest dollar value Madden that you can find on that system. All right, quick in and out, but an awesome score here. I spent $16 on all of these. That'll go for about 15, 20. But the main scores are these. These I've never found before in the wild, but I knew they're really good. Pete and Pete. Season 1 goes for about $40. Season 2 goes for about $60. Keep an eye out for them. Mega Bolo DVDs. Spent $27 at the last store, just a hodgepodge of a little bit of everything. I found this game lot. It was $3.49 before 20% off, but it has 2 items in here that are key. Klondike Solitaire, that goes for at least $15. And then there's a Yahtzee in there as well. That one go for about $20 for me. So 2 really good ones right there for me. I found 2 Bristol water filters. They're both the same, so I'll be able to lot them up, and I should be able to get $30 with free shipping on it. They feel a little heavy. I'm not sure if they'll be able to go in first class, but they'll easily fit in the padded flat rate for me. A few games DVDs I got. Diablo 2 for the PC. This will go for about, probably 17. One Tree Hill sealed Season 7. This one will go for about $20. SSX 3 for the PlayStation 2. This should go for about 15 to 17. And then Farming Simulator 15 for the Xbox 360. This one goes for like 20 just as the disc only, so I'll probably get like 22 or 25 for it. The last one I got is this Magnavox DVD VCR combo unit. It is not a DVD recorder. If it is, it would say DVD recorder right there, but these are awesome units. This one will go for about $100, free shipping, without the remote. So you could sell these all the time without the remote. The Magnavox ones do really well for me. If you find the one that says DVD recorder here, that is about like $180, $200 unit, even without the remote. So look out for those if you can find them. So that was the last store that I had today. Thank you guys for joining me. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Also smash that thumbs up for me, as it'll help me out. And I will see you guys next time.